Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add custom tokens to your MetaMask wallet. So first up, you'll have to open your MetaMask of course, and then right here, we're going to just go ahead and hover into our home screen right here in your MetaMask. So to add custom tokens is pretty simple. So you will have to first press the import. So custom tokens will come right here with the token contract address. So we're going to import one. So let's head on to my deck screener right here so we can just grab a random one from our chain. So let's grab this Solcat. So this is just an example. So you place the contact address right here, token symbol. So let's place LOL. So the token decimal is gonna be, of course, a custom one that you're gonna place. You paste it also right there. And if you cannot find it, you'll just have to find it right here. So press this button right here. So I can't press the button actually because it's not a valid address. So this must be a BNB address actually rather than a Sol address. So actually let's head on to a Sol, or I mean a BNB BSC chain right here. So we can import one. So we have cat right here, Simon the cat. So BSC, I hope this would work actually. So again, okay, we just messed up. There we go. Go to custom, place the token address, and cat token decimal, next, import, and there you go. It's just that simple. Now we have Simon's the cat that we just import from our deck screener right here from the BSC network. So Sol network is not gonna work with your Phantom. It's not really that effective because they're not compatible chains. So there we go. We have the BSC Simon's cat right here now. I'm not telling you to buy this. This is only a tutorial on how to add custom tokens to your MetaMask wallet. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.